Hi, Jason Beatty here with Indigo Prep with 3 things to do at the beginning of your GMAT studies. Number 1, buy an official guide. This is the most important book published about the GMAT and essential to any good study plan. Number 2, study. There is a strong degree of correlation between time spent studying and score increase. Your score will not increase spontaneously. You need to study to improve. Number 3, if you're not improving, get help. Whether it's with us, Indigo Prep, or another source, GMAT scores don't improve spontaneously. You have to work, and if they're not going up, you need to get help. For a free half-hour consultation about your GMAT studies, please click the button and talk to me, Jason Beatty of Indigo Prep. Thank you so much.